Welcome to Lesson 3, the Southern Kung Fu tutorial. Today we start for the first move, DANZHI. Hey, what are you doing there?
Tambok na siksi. Tambok na siksi.
Focus. You don't know how to use it? Maybe you're right. Okay, let's talk about this. To the single finger can use for, maybe you can, your nose. Single finger can be used for this, but really in real application, your single finger is confuse your opponent. From here, you can turn. Hey, 过来呀, come here, fight with me. Not joking. So you're prepared to fight, and this hand can be turned to be fist and be palm, can be slash, can be punch. Of course, not just like that, right? So the single finger, just like your snake hand. So this finger to attack the weak spot like eye and shoot, that's not surprise. You can imagine that, right? An attack to vital point. The simple meaning, just like a soccer player. When you play soccer, right? So want the people to shoot the ball to the gatekeeper. So many of the times we confuse the gatekeeper. So you use a fake movement, kind of like you want to kick your life and then go to that direction, but you change your technique direction, but you win the game. That's the same thing for many things. We do the fake move. You think I got to punch by left, boom, I punch right. Simply like that, so you confuse your opponents by the single finger. You always say that when you talk a lot, can you just show me something? Show us something. What do you say? What? You say the same? Everybody say the same? Shifu, I understand Kung Fu not coming from one day training. It's every single day. I will be no more sloppy and training hard to achieve my Kung Fu. Very good. Let's start training. Very good, student. Keep up the good work. Now, let's do step by step basics training, DANZHI. One, two, three, push, single finger, crossing, twist, straight, flat, single finger, come back, push, cross, turn back, go, power. Switching left and right side training. Left side, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, jump, see, right. Left hand, go, push, power, cross, come back, power. Right side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, power. Switching, left side, push slow, with power, cross, come back, straight, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, right, up, and down, push, straight, one more, left, right, up, down, push, with power, another hand, single finger, you go right, left, up, down, and push, 1, 2, 3, 4, and push, now 左右交替, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, push, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and push, switching, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, push. Very good. Keep up good work. So from this powerful training, you will get every basics from single finger. My friend, if you still didn't join us for the membership, I suggest you to join us and training hard with more details, with more intensive. You ready? Let's go.
There are 2 tiers. Tier 1 minus beginner's path, just $4.99 this month. You'll get one full-length 15-minute video each month. Need behind-the-scenes moments, and then community Q&A included in videos. Men and plus custom badges and emojis to show your support. Tier 2 minus Master's Wave, $9.99 month. Get one full video every week. Training clips, full tutorials, mindset talks, exclusive Q&A, and priority question features in future videos, and all the badges and emojis from Tier 1 and more. Together, more power, more knowledge, more Kung Fu spirit. Peace. Even you are not a member yet. You can still enjoy the first 3 minsters of each week video, totally free. But if you want a full access, hear the good news.
Combination, pumps,